Hello and welcome to Realty News Roundup. Here are the top stories of the day. After the goods and services tax is rolled out, the prices of under construction apartments may rise by 5 to 10%. However, the prices of completed apartments will not be affected. So if you have already bought a flat but the entire payment has not yet been made, you'll be charged tax at the GST rate on the remaining amount to be paid, which is likely to be between 12 and 18%. The Andhra Pradesh government received another setback as the Union Ministry of Environment and Forest turned down the state's proposal to use 13,000 hectares of forest land for the construction of its capital Amravati. Amravati has been caught in green hurdles as the state government proposal to build the capital city in an ecologically sensitive zone which forms a part of highly fragile Eastern Ghats. To renovate the iconic Oberoi New Delhi, which was closed down in April this year, EIH Limited is planning to invest over Rs 500 crore in the hotel. The dwindling profitability of the 50-year-old property has led the group to arrive at the decision of complete renovation. The 271-room Oberoi property in the capital used to post a net profit of Rs 90 crore per year, which went down to Rs 65 crore in 2015-2016. In an attempt to keep the monsoon-related waterlogging at bay, the Noida Authority has warned 348 companies located in Sector 63 Industrial Belt to remove encroachments, including construction of ramps and pathways from drains. As per the civic body, property owners have encroached on storm water drains in the area, which has led to widespread waterlogging. Thank you for watching. For latest updates, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube and Instagram.